Alright, we got a 2019 F550 service truck here. It's got quite a bit of stuff on it. It's also got a aftermarket Viper remote start. Do a little walk around, pull it out, take it for a drive. Nothing wrong with it. Super nice. And set up, ready to work. Doesn't need anything.
Or shop online at King Ranch Ag.
Backup camera as well. It's got the Enpak generator, air compressor / generator, or welder, I mean. So it's a good little unit. The generator itself is flipped on with, I think it's this switch. It's one of these switches. I can't remember which one. I'm just gonna turn them all on. And then you got the little light panel up there. Power windows, power locks, they all work. Got your laptop mount there. AC's good. Radio works. Everything works. And it's in like excellent condition, cosmetically wise. Very well taken care of. See, even the chrome on the bumper, little ding right there. Paint's in great shape. See, good tires. Little corrosion on the wheels, you know, kind of just some scuffs and whatnot, but you know, still good shape. It's got the 6.7 diesel DEF. So I'll get up on the bed and stuff here in a minute. I'm gonna do the exterior walk around first and the tires. The lights are flashing because one of those, I'm sure one of those switches I flipped is like you know, the service lights. So I just want to make sure I get the right switch on for the generator to start it up. But the switches aren't labeled in there, so I'm not sure what does what. But there's a few different things hooked up. It's got a high idle setting, which I might have flipped it on, I'm not too sure. Here, we'll do the go through these here and kind of show you what's there. This, our little trays here. We got a bunch of those. All these struts up here are in good shape too. They're not blown out. This here is your generator, air compressor, cabinet, whatever. So this is your pressure filter, gauge, stuff like that. Okay, regulator, your hose, and then up here we've got the different things here. Okay, so turn it on here. We've got, it's flickering because of the frame rate. It's not the actual light. It's not flickering like that here in real life. So I believe, if I remember correctly, got your different welder settings here, and then you got your generator settings. Let's start up. Let's see. I hear it beeping. Okay, so let's start it up. Generator's running. Let's see. I don't know anything about these, I'm gonna be honest. You know, you can set the power level here. got the different things here. Like I said, I'm honestly don't know much about the. Okay, so you can charge and you can switch between charging, welding. So you got the different settings here. You can do chassis power, battery, or 24 volt, which will be this one here. And then you've got your regular plugs. So let's do that. So it's charging the battery. Got 24 volts, so I'm assuming that's active. Air compressor, turn that on. It did something. Okay, so here we've got the air pressure, or the it's compressing air, it's building air. So it's doing something. Can't see here. So it's definitely doing air. We're good on that. Turn that off. I'm at the extent of my knowledge here, but everything appears to be working. All the lights are functional. So we'll turn that off. It built pressure pretty quick right there. You can kind of see it's already at 60 psi. Pretty quick. Little compartments down there. That's the air compressor hose ports. Get this other side. You got not shelves, but drawers here. So they pull out like that. It's a Summit system. More of the Summit drawers here. Same thing, do that little thing there. All these struts on this side for the doors are good also. I think this one's locked, maybe. Let's see. I'm assuming this is the key for all of them. I'm pretty sure it is. There we go. Okay, so yes. So the lock works. Got more drawers. Now these struts are bad. Looks like that one's just kind of hanging. There's not one here. So you've got the drawer system. You've got some shelves. There we go. This one's kind of. So those are kind of squished together for some reason. You get your another little compartment here, just under there like that. And we got some lights right here. Got your D-hooks in the bed. It's like a ladder holder maybe. I got your compressor tank, and then here you get your generator. It's a gas generator. Uses unleaded gas. It is a Kohler engine, looks like, but it is a Miller electric motor there. And you got your different little diagrams as well. You got your access for your oil filter, the engine, some service. Over here. Not sure exactly what that is, but looks like your welding side. So yeah, that's the walkthrough on the F550. I'm gonna do the test drive video separately and combine them. I can't get to it right now. But first, kind of do some undercarriage and interior real quick. Like I said, it's in great shape, like really, really, really well taken care of. Wait, what's that? Like 3 minutes. All right. And then in your dash, you got the original window sticker, service manual, some different parts and stuff, owner's manual, and yeah. Inside, easily 8 or 9 out of 10, not like you see on most trucks.